are you today? It's been a while we see each other. It just was 3 days. Today we're going to do another unboxing from Chanel. It's two items that I've been wanting long time. I've been wanting these things for like some time. So today we're going to finally unbox it. And yeah, I got also something for my husband because I saw your comments, like somebody was saying, oh, why don't buy something for your husband? So I decided to buy it. Let's get started. So I always love this Chanel packaging, and especially this camellia flower. I saw this camellia flower before, like they did brooches at Chanel. Maybe next time I will teach you how to turn these camellia flowers into a brooch. Thanks, Chanel. This packaging is so cute. I don't really want to unbox it, but what to do? Let's see what is inside. I love them. I love these shoes. I actually like boots in general, but this shoe is being like, I don't know, it's just so beautiful and classic. I just think that what make it so what make it more nice is like diamond cut that I actually love seriously, and of course the Chanel logo on it. And yeah, actually everything is a classic, you know. Imagine wearing this with the um, black pants or black leggings or something like that. I just love it, seriously. It can match with like many things because it's white and black, of course. Look at these cute things here. If you can see, it's so beautiful. But I feel like I have to be careful with the leather because it's so fragile, I think so. And it's lambskin. It's lambskin on the diamond cut and here, and calfskin here. So yeah, I have to be careful with this one, I think. Just even the way I'm walking, you know, when you used to walk, and here you have to be careful. And they just walk like this. my legs out. I really love it. What you think, guys? You have to tell me what you think. Actually, comment below if you love these shoes. Comment what you think about these shoes, if you love it, if you hate it, and what I can wear it with, what you like, what you think. Let's move to the second biggest unboxing. Or wait, maybe I unbox something smaller, like a Dior from my husband. I'm sure that he will like this gift because he's always wearing it, and it's classic also, of course, because I like to buy something classic because they will not go out of trend. It's small gift, actually very small. So let me show you what is this. Oh, Dior shirt is 2050 dirham. I think is a good price for something that is really quality and timeless. Yes. Let me box. I was so happy to find this item, really. I was so happy to find this item. So this is the white shirt. So cute. What do you think, guys? Also tell me what you think. What I love about this shirt, it has a little bee here in black, so you can see, and that's all. This shirt is very classic, very classic, just like that, normal. And also what I love, they did the small cuffs, short cuffs. I loved it also because there is not a lot of Dior logo on it, because my husband don't really like all these logo things. And what is this? Ah, okay. This is nice. I love it. They put this for the color of the shirt. Even if you want to do a gift for someone, I think it will be the very good gift, because it's classic, it's cute, it's fresh. I don't know, I love it. What do you think? You guys tell me what you think. So we're going to move to the next one now, but before I unbox this, let me just comb my hair first. Okay, so yes, we finally moved to the last one. But it's very heavy. This package is very heavy. I don't know how to even move it. I don't know why they even give me this big package. It's like 3 kg. That's the thing I like. Remember, this is my favorite sound. It also sounds like money, not something like counting money. No. No. Okay. This one is huge, but Camellia is here. You want to see Camellia, or you leave Camellia for me? Let me just turn around. Yeah. Turn around. Okay. Let me just try to unbox it, because I think I need help for unboxing. I need help today for unboxing this big. See how huge it is? It's very huge. It's the biggest package I think I saw, really, since I shop. Where is Camellia? Where is Camellia now? Okay, let me just manage this package on the table. I don't know where. On the floor, on the bed. Where I want to unbox it, I don't know. Oh, what did they put inside? Book for education. They put book for education. It's how to care for what is inside, I think, or maybe for books. They have also this inside. Oh, it smells so good. I finally get the tote bag. I don't know what to say, really. I wanted for a long time this tote bag, but I didn't even know that this bag I wanted. I just wanted the tote bag. Once I wanted to buy a Christian Dior tote bag, and I really love it from beginning, but the one with CD logo is kind of common. That's why I didn't consider to buy it. And they have also different white and black Christian Dior tote. That one I love so much, and I was thinking, okay, maybe I buy that one. And after, I was thinking, what's going to happen if this tote, white and black, bag get dirty. Essay told me that I can bring it back to Christian Dior and they will send it to wash. I don't know. I was thinking it's a little bit uncomfortable. After that, I went to Louis Vuitton store and I saw this tote bag. Also classic one because I was looking for classic tote bag. And I saw this leather Louis Vuitton tote with Louis Vuitton logo. It's like a Louis Vuitton stamped leather. So I love that one. I was thinking, oh, maybe it's the one because it have handles also. Because it has handles also. But I was thinking the Louis Vuitton bag, Louis Vuitton tote, will lose foam with time because the leather was a little bit soft. That's why I was still thinking about Christian Dior or Louis Vuitton. And I didn't see this bag before in Chanel because Chanel has only this beige bag. If you remember beige one and like beige and pink, I love it also, but it doesn't look like tote bag. It looks like a beach bag more for me. So when I saw this caviar leather and this tote bag, I just fell in love with it, really. So I actually love this bag because it's very practical and it's so beautiful in the same time. And I have this caviar leather that's scratch resistable for my nails especially. I love it because I don't like to buy something and then I see scratch on it. It's not really nice. But this bag, the one that is just perfect for shopping because it's really big and I have this shape like it's not structured, that's a tote bag. It's not like tote bag, so it will keep the shape for many years, I guess, I hope. And also inside it's black, so if anything stains it, it's going to be very easy to clean because it's already dark, it's black. And it's also closing here, as you can see. It's very nice. They have key holder here, have a key holder, have big pockets inside. Let me show you just one more time. Big pockets, but I was thinking to buy organizer for this bag so it will be more comfortable for me. It will be keeping shape like this. And what I have inside, I have this authenticity card with the number of the bag. Also, what I love about this bag, I'm just crazy about it, it's this chain. You know, this chain they used to put on all top handles like CC, trendy CC, flap bag, what again, Chanel 19, all of these classy bags, they have this chain. Even I saw this chain on vanity case that I really love also. If you see my previous video, you will see the vanity case with also these chains. So that's why I love it. And also they put this Chanel logo. Very nice, very nice. Check. It's just beautiful, and it's saying Chanel Paris like this. So if I want to carry it on my shoulder, I just would do like this. Yes, and it will be so beautiful. And if I want to do top handle, like I can do like this because I really love these chains. Yes. So that's what I wanted to tell you. And also here, what did they put in? Chanel, also Paris. I don't know. Cambon, what, I don't know what this Cambon means. Chanel here. And it was a little bit more expensive than Christian Dior and Louis Vuitton, but I was thinking that this is scratch resistible, my favorite, and it's practical, caviar leather, and yeah, it's more nice. And it's going perfect with the boots that I just unboxed. Boom. So imagine the look of these two bag and shoe. It's just very nice, classy and casual at the same time. So let me see the receipt for it. I feel a little bit guilty, but it's timeless bag. This time is you just buy it and you will be carrying it for, I don't know, 10 years. Because Chanel, they say they used to do repair of the bags every 5 years, but I don't think so this bag will need any repair. I will be really happy to carry this bag for years, to be honest. Really. Let's see the receipt. Oh my god. It's 15,530 dirham. How much? I don't know. For a lifetime bag. Yes, please. Yes, I want it. Thank you so much for watching my videos. I hope you like the items I picked up. I love them personally. Very soon I will post the vlog about the tote bags in Christian Dior and Louis Vuitton, so you can see which bag is more practical, which one is more beautiful. All of them is amazing. Anyway, so if you like to see more videos about luxury lifestyle and fashion, you subscribe to my channel, like this video, and comment in comment section below what you think about my items I picked up today. Love you guys. See you in the next video.